Okay, Fritz, so honestly, I don't have a lot of experiences with filters like this. Can you tell me a little bit about what the dual filter is?
The DualFilter is a special concept for mid-size breweries in the range of performance of 25 to 100 hectoliters per hour. So it's the larger craft breweries, the smaller big breweries.
Yeah.
So that's the range. You see there is a demand on the market, and it's a total new concept of a modular filter system.
Wow.
You see, we don't have a big vessel as a traditional filter. It's a modular concept. It's a pre-coat filter,
Okay.
and we decided to go for a pre-coat candle system because for the craft beer or for the smaller breweries, you usually have many different beer types. For a membrane system, the filterability of these beer styles is very differently.
Yes.
With the choice of filter aid, you can adjust the filterability or let's say the behavior of the filter to the kind of beer. That was the reason we decided for a pre-coat filter. A very special feature is the modular concept, which allows a big reduction in beer losses if you change from one brand to the other.
Awesome. And that's really cool. So again, I still don't really know much about how these work. So if I'm filtering my beer and I want brilliantly clear beer like this, is the beer at the beginning of the run and the end of the run and the middle of the run, is it all going to be the same?
It is all the same. Let me explain how it works. So here we have the inlet of the unfiltered beer. Then this is our filter pump, which provides the pressure we need for the filtration. And on the way to the filter, we are dosing here the filter aids. So this is our dosing pump. Here is our filter aid suspension preparation tank. So we have an agitator. We bring in the filter aids. We strip the air or the oxygen out with CO2. Then we have an oxygen-free filter aid suspension, which is dosed here. Here on this side glass, you have a control of the dosing. And then we are entering the filter in these two filter modules from underneath. And on the top, here we have the bypass. And this bypass is measured here. So we have a measurement for the bypass volume. We have a control valve to control the flow on the bypass side. And then you see on top there is another flow meter and another regulating valve. And this controls the flow on the filtrate side. And this unfiltrate goes back to the inlet. So that's a loop. And on the outlet of the filtrate, you see here, this is the outlet. We have before it goes into the bright beer tank, we have a trap filter as a security filter if any particles might pass. So possible filter aid particles are trapped here in this first filter with 3 microns, and then we have another filter with 0.45 micron as last filtration step to have a perfect filtered beer which goes into the bright beer tank.
So we've got an extremely efficient, extremely effective, simple filter capable from 25 hectoliters to 100 hectoliters per hour and expandable within that range.
You're right, it's expandable. So the system is modular, and for example, if you want to double the capacity, you just add another 2 filter modules, and then you have double of the performance. And we design the pump and everything for this extension. So we just remove two the two connecting types.
Yeah.
And then you can easily double the capacity. The footprint keeps almost the same. It's just a little extension of the footprint.
That's awesome. I like that. Thank you for the explanation, Fritz.
You're welcome. Cheers.